Get a collection of over 80 highly customizable arrows in a wide variety of styles and animations in Custom Arrows for Final Cut Pro. Download a free trial today right from the FxFactory application. This product was created exclusively for Final Cut Pro. You can find it in the Titles browser under Century Custom Arrows. The arrows are broken up into categories based on their design style and animations. Custom, arched arrows, arrows with backgrounds, basics, brushes, dashes, lines, replicated, arrows with text, and 2 caps. Plus, there are 2 continuous animation special effects, oscillate and randomize. So there's pretty much every type of arrow you'd need for your footage in this product. Let's take a look at how they work. I've got some footage on my timeline that could use some arrows for callouts and to note motion in the clips. I'd like to use an arrow to show the camera motion in the first clip. The custom category has 4 different styles of arrows: basic, brush, dashed, and line. I'll attach the custom line to the clip. The first thing you'll notice are the on-screen controls for the arrow. I'll turn on the guides function so you can see on-screen text of what everything does. I can position and scale the whole arrow with the middle control. I can position and rotate the arrowhead. The white dots control the position of the different segments of the arrow. The top 3 controls change the rotation on the 3 different axes. And the blue and orange dots control the start point and end point of the build in and out animations. I'll quickly position the arrow as I'd like it. Be sure to turn off the guides so the guide text doesn't render with your footage. In the parameters, we have a ton of customization controls. I'll change the line type from linear to B-spline, as I don't need all the individual points, just the curve. I'll change the color and line width. I can turn on and customize a stroke effect. There are additional arrow effects you can add, like extrude, bevel and emboss, neon, pixelate, and trails. And finally, at the bottom are animation controls. You can change attributes like scale, rotation, and opacity in the build in and out. So as you can see, your customization options are extensive. Let's take a look at an example of one of the text presets. I've got customization options appropriate to the style of this graphic. I'll tweak the look a bit and add in my text. So in a minute or 2, I've got a nice looking callout graphic. Custom arrows is, quite simply, the best way to add and customize arrows in your projects in Final Cut Pro. Try it out free today, and I'm sure it'll become a regular part of your video toolbox. Create with a wide range of great video effects at FxFactory.com.